Prep and fitting. Check that all the parts are present as listed on the delivery note and in the instructions. Contact your supplier if you notice any missing parts, deformation, or damage. Lay out the required tools before fitting. Measure and mark the position of the dock shelter on the wall, making sure everything is level, centered, and square. With special sizes, the position of the drill holes may differ. Rear frame assembly. Connect the 3 rear frame pieces to the frame corners. Assemble and attach the rear frame to the wall with the appropriate mounting hardware for your specific wall type. The factory supplies hardware designed specifically for concrete walls. Ensure the installation point is at least 2.75 inches away from the edge of the wall to prevent cracking or damage to the wall edge. Fasten the rubber buffers to the upper link arms, and fasten all 4 link arms to the rear frame, ensuring the direction of the bolts is correct, and allow 0.75 millimeters of play so the arms can pivot freely. Front frame assembly. Align the side flaps with the profiles before removing the adhesive tape. Remove the adhesive tape while adhering the side flap to the profile. Bolt the flaps to the profiles firmly, but not so much that you risk causing the profile or flaps to deform. Repeat this process for the top flap and profiles, leaving the 2 outermost drill holes empty. Assemble the front frame. Fit the elastic cords to the side flaps and hook them into the top hole under the frame profile. Bend the S-hooks closed. Place the front frame upright in front of the door opening. Connect the front frame to the link arms. For a 20-inch depth, use the topmost fixing points. For a 24 or 36-inch depth, use the bottommost fixing points. Ensure the direction of the bolts is correct and doesn't block the guide profile, and allow 0.75 millimeters of play. All link arm joints must pivot freely, so be sure to not over-tighten them. Lift the front frame and lock it into place on both sides with the provided securing bars. Attach the warning label to the lower link arm. Top and side cladding. Determine the correct position of the top and side cladding. The shorter side of the taper is oriented toward the front frame and the longer edges against the wall. The excess fabric side should face the shelter interior. Slide the piped edges into the guide profiles. Pre-lubricate to make the cladding slide in more easily if needed. Remove the securing bars and then fasten the side cladding using self-drilling screws. Make sure to leave 1.2 inches of exposed side cladding material at the top front corners to prevent gaps. Fasten the top cladding to the side cladding with the included shock cord fasteners. Fix the top and side cladding using the 6 plug screws. Screw both self-drilling screws at the top through the frame and top flap. Sealing the shelter. Seal the dock shelter with black sealant to protect the area beneath it from rain. Fit the corner sealing cushions using the included hardware. Complete the installation by separating the pre-scored top sections from one another by hand, using a knife if necessary.